Welcome to Go Trade Local, an easy-to-use website that puts local equipment hire, building material and local skip hire companies at your fingertips. We help you to cut costs, reduce travel time and support businesses in your area. Whether you're in the trade or looking to do some DIY, use our map search tool to find the best local companies anywhere in the UK, allowing you to search, compare and save money. Making sure you get the right product at the right price can be difficult and often confusing. Don't waste time searching for individual quotes. Simply fill in our price comparison form and our local partners will contact you with their best prices and availability. Finding local goods to hire and buy has never been so easy. From working on a building site in St Andrews to home DIY in St Ives, Go Trade Local is the tool you need for any job, anywhere.
Are you looking to increase your profits, boost your online profile and work more efficiently within your local area? With Go Trade Local, we can help you to achieve all of this and more through our affordable packages, where there's no tie-in periods or hidden costs whatsoever. To get started, head to our website and create your company profile in just a few clicks.
To support your local businesses today, head to gotradelocal.co.uk.